Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Neil, and in this video we're going to be drawing Ron from the new movie Ron's Gone Wrong, coming out October 22nd. But before we do that, just a friendly reminder, here on Truly Outrageous, I like to teach you guys how to draw cool stuff in a fun and easy way. And I post brand new videos to the channel here every Thursday. So when your calendar rolls around past Wednesday to Thursday, come on back to the channel for some more drawings. But if you want to make things automatic and easy, go right now, click that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. And that way YouTube does all the work for you and lets you know when I have a new video. All right, let's get into drawing Ron from Ron's Gone Wrong. Okay, let's get started on our drawing. So for this one, you're going to need a piece of paper. You're going to need your handy dandy drawing utensil. I'm using a black marker so it's easier for you guys to follow along, but feel free to use whatever's most comfortable for you. And then when we get to our coloring step, this is the color palette that I'm choosing for Ron. Feel free to copy these colors or choose your own. Also, if I'm going too fast during the tutorial, please feel free to hit that pause button or hit rewind. I want you guys to be able to follow along as easily as possible. All right, here we go, first step. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw the side of Ron's body. And this line that we're about to draw is kind of like a candy cane, as if part of the candy cane tip was broken off. And I'll show you what I mean. So we're gonna start up here. We're gonna curve that line down like this. Just keep that line going all the way to about there. Then Ron's got some wheels on either side of his body, and there's like a little indent there that sort of, I guess, houses the place where the wheel attaches. So we're gonna draw that right now. So we're gonna start from here and curve the line in just a bit like that. Then we'll draw the bottom here. This is the very bottom of his body, like that. Then we'll draw the other side where the wheel attaches. So you're gonna curve that line up like so to about there. Next, we're gonna draw Ron's arm. So we're gonna start right about here, and we're gonna do a curved line like this, kind of an upside down smile. Then we are going to pull that line down like this. We're gonna curve in like this, and then it's kind of just a straight line back up and in. And I have a little space between there. I'm just gonna bring that together real quick, like that. Then we're going to move on to the back of Ron. So that's gonna start right here. We're gonna pull that line up and out, over like this. But then Ron's wearing a hat, so we're going to draw just a straight line connecting the two lines that you see there. Just like that. So this line we're gonna connect to the first line that we drew. Next, we're gonna draw Ron's hat. So his hat starts right about here because it kind of droops down a little bit. So we're gonna curve that line up like this. We're gonna carry that up and over. Get that line going just a little bit more, all the way down like that. Then the top of his hat almost follows his contour, but it's a little bit off that line. So right about here, we're gonna pick the line up and we're gonna curve out like this. And then we're gonna curve back in like that. Because he's wearing a beanie. Then, of course, to top off the beanie, you gotta have the ball on top. So we're gonna put the ball on top. Lovely little puff ball, just like that. Next, we're gonna draw Ron's other arm and a little bit of detail on the first arm that we drew. So we're gonna start over here, and Ron's gonna be waving to us in this picture. Hi. So we're gonna draw a line up like this, curve a line over like that, and then you're gonna pull that line back in just like so. And then this, we're going to draw a little line because it looks like he's kind of like wearing gloves. So we're gonna curve a line like this, and then he has a thumb appendage. So we're gonna draw that in there too. That's just kind of an oval shape connecting to that top line like that. And then we'll put this detail here on this hand as well. Start it over here, curve that line up just like that. Next, we're gonna draw Ron's wheels. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna come down to the bottom here. We're gonna make two marks that indicate the bottom of the wheels. So we're gonna make one mark here, And then we're gonna make the other mark kind of facing the other direction, like that. Now this first wheel is gonna kind of curve in just ever so slightly like that. And it's gonna come up to there and stop. We're gonna put kind of like the first mark that we just made. We're just gonna draw that little line out like that. Then we'll come down to the bottom, we'll connect those two lines there with just a curved little line like that. Then we're gonna jump over here to the second wheel and draw our next line, which kind of matches this one up here. It's a little bit shallower though. So we're gonna start right here, just gonna pull that line down to about there. And then we're going to curve that line up and over, and we're gonna connect it to the arm. And then to give our wheel some depth, we're gonna draw some lines in there. So one line right here, one line right there, one line right here, and I think I'll put one right here. Next, we're gonna draw Ron's face. So we're gonna start with his eye. So it starts right over here. We're gonna draw two lines, one, and then two. And then we're going to curve a line on top, curve that line on top like that, and then on the bottom as well. Then we'll draw his mouth like this, and a line over. And then he's got kind of like the hey expression going. So go down like this and up like that. You can color that in black. And you can color this eye in black too. Then we'll draw that last eye here. So just a line there, a line there. Curve that line up like that, and then another line like that, and then color it in black. So apparently in the movie, which I haven't seen yet, he has a fanny pack, so we're gonna draw that too. So it's gonna start right here. We're gonna curve a line up like this, and we're gonna stop, we're gonna square it off, and we're gonna come and do the bottom part of it, matching the top there. Then he's got a belt buckle, so what we're gonna do, is gonna draw a line across like this, and another line across like this. Then we're gonna connect those with some curved lines, curve, curve, and then we're gonna do a straight line like that, straight line like that, and then we'll do the curve, and we'll stop right there. Then we'll draw the other side of the fanny pack belt. So we're gonna go straight line down like this to close off that buckle. And then we're gonna just keep that line going all the way up like that. And then all the way up like that. Then we'll add a little bit of detail to the buckle. So we're gonna draw a straight line down like this. And then two curves, one and two. Because that's where you kind of pinch it to make the belt come apart. And last but not least, we're gonna add the fanny pack to the back. So we're just gonna curve a line out like this. Then we're gonna curve a line in like that. And you can see a little bit of it at the bottom. So it's just kind of a curved line like that. All right, and there's your line work for Ron from Ron's Gone Wrong. And now it's time for the gratuitous, cringeworthy, slightly annoying joke. Okay, do you know why they call me the big cheese at work? Because I'm pretty good at my job. All right, and now it's time for our coloring step, and we'll do that in super speed, starting now. All right, and there you have it, your fully colored Ron from Ron's Gone Wrong. Thanks everybody for drawing Ron with me. I hope you guys had a great time. Hey, occasionally I run out of ideas, and that's where I'm depending on you to help me out. If you have a great idea about what you would want me to teach you how to draw, leave that in the comments for me. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. All right, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.